Hi, my name is Blanca, and this is my competitive analysis for my daycare called Little Angels. We are an in home daycare that creates a safe and living environment for your children where they will feel right at home, even on weekends. Our value propositions are that we care for children of the ages of 1 through 4 at an affordable price. We provide nutritional food. We are bilinguals. We speak English and Spanish. We are hands on and do educational activities appropriate for each age. We help alleviate the stress of caring for your children when you have to work even on weekends. My ideal customers are working single mothers that work even on weekends to make ends meet, just like the single fathers that have to work different shifts to be able to provide for their little ones. Other ideal customers are married working couples that need help with care for their children while they both have to go to work. My competition includes other in-home daycares around me, which are Neth Chan Daycare, Franskins Daycare, and Blossom Daycare. At Neth Chan Daycare, they offer to watch children from 0 to 12 years old. They offer transportation for kids that are in school. They provide a nap area. They do not offer meals. They have a gated entrance and backyard, and they operate Monday through Friday only. At Franskins Daycare, they offer to take care of children from 6 months old to 14 years old. They have a backyard, nap room, and art room. They offer transportation for kids that are in school. They offer meals. They are available 24 hours a day for 6 days a week. And at Blossom Daycare, they offer a backyard and nap room. They offer meals, and they don't offer transportation. They care for children that are 2 to 14 years old, and they only operate Monday through Friday. In my competitive matrix, I compared brand, price, availability, experience, and location. My total was 16, Neth Chance Daycare was 17, Franskins Daycare was 20, and Blossom Daycare was 16. Little Angels is competing in a very competitive and demanding market. Since there are quite a few in-home daycares around me, it will be challenging to compete against them because of their experience. My competitive advantage would be price and location. We offer the same services, but offering meals and being available on weekends too will be an advantage for us. Thank you.